Hi and welcome to my channel Diced in Spice.
Today we are going to see Neivedhyam dishes for day 5 of Navarathri. A Pachai Payaru sweet and a Kara Sundal, that is a Moong Dal sweet and Savory Sundar. Let's first see how to make the Payaru sweet Sundal. I have taken a quarter cup of Pachai Payaru, that is green moong, soaked it for 5 to 6 hours and cooked it to a soft texture for 2 whistles in the cooker. Take a quarter cup of Jaggery, dissolve it in hot water and strain out the impurities. Let's add this to a hot pan. Let's add half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. Let this come to a boil. Add the cooked Pachai Payaru. Let it boil well. Add a pinch of salt. The green moong should soak up all the Jaggery water and should become thick. The whole process takes around 5 to 7 minutes. As it keeps boiling, we can see the Jaggery water reducing. Let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. On adding the coconut, it quickly absorbs the rest of the Jaggery. Let's stir it and keep it on flame for just few more minutes. It's nice and thick now. At this stage, you can add roasted cashews and badams if you want. Switch off the flame. Do not let it get too thick on the pan. As it cools, it will thicken further. Our tasty sweet Payaru Sundal is now ready. Let's see how to make the savory Sundal now. I have taken a quarter cup of Pachai Payaru, that is green moong, soaked it for 5 to 6 hours, cooked it with salt for 2 whistles. See how soft it is. Let's do the tempering. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of Jeera, half a teaspoon of Urad Dal, a few broken red chilies, curry leaves. Saute it. Add a pinch or 2 of Asafoetida, some turmeric powder. Add the cooked Pachai Payaru. Saute it some more. Add salt if required. Switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Our yummy Payaru sweet and Kara Sundal are now ready. Let's enjoy our Navarathri with the Devi's blessings and of course our yummy tasty dishes from Diced in Spice.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.